Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement on this one today. When you stop and think about that, not that long ago, the price was all the way down here at these lows, and all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way up to that area. Very impressive movement. Now, that does bring about the more than valid question of, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that is all about down here, at least in my opinion, $16.60. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal standpoint, you would have the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up. So maybe the price comes on here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this instance if that were to occur where the price goes back down, but consolidates and then bounces back upwards? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to show signs of progress. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress would be at 1660. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main battleground to watch now initially going to be right up there at $17.35. So keep a close eye on $17.35. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.